What's up, YouTube? Today we get Element TV, model number ELDFT404. The problem is, I'll click power button. Actually need to press it. Here we go. It is on. And how you can see, it flips screen like this. If I open menu, I switch to different HDMI. You see, they get a message like that. So let's go ahead and take it apart and see what caused the problem. Alright, let's power it on, see what's on the screen, and then let's play with that stuff, unplug it, plug it, see the difference. Alright, I plug it back. Still same problem. Still flicking. It might be connectors right there. So let's go ahead and reach them. To do that, we need to untie all the bolts on sides and take out this plastic front panel. I tried to check all the connectors and touch them when it was on. Nothing happened on the screen. Everything looks good here, all capacitors and other parts, transistors, resistors. Let's go ahead and check more. Rolling, yeah. Alright, 1 second. Let me shut it down. But don't record me, like the screen. Alright, so you can see it's flicking. And then after I take whole TV apart, I find the part it's making very weird noise. Is this one? Is this ICD2? Look, if I touch it with my finger, a screen will flick if you open menu button. You can see how it's flicking and making weird sound. Alright, I cover it with some thermotape, put some flux. Let's go ahead and reboil it.